Hello everyone. Physics is never a difficult subject for a student who is interested, provided he or she has a clear and strong physics teacher. So here I am, Mr. Dharanidhar, your favorite physics teacher in your favorite YouTube channel, Bhautics. So today I have brought you one more question which was asked in the previous year board examination in the question paper set number 31/1/2 for a 2 marks. So question states is an object is placed at a distance of 18 centimeters from pole of a concave mirror of focal length 12 centimeters. Find the position and nature of the image. So there is a concave mirror. See, whenever you are going to solve any question on concave mirror or convex mirror or concave lens or convex lens, which is going to use mirror formula or lens formula, you imagine the ray diagram of that particular case, then you will be confident. So this is the importance of ray diagrams. You should be knowing the ray diagrams very clearly. So what they are saying that the focal length of the mirror is 12 centimeters. See, focal length is 12 centimeters, object distance is 18 centimeters. So from here to here, it will be 12 centimeters. Object distance is 18 centimeters means object will be somewhere here. Correct? So you no need to draw this diagram. But to make you people understand, I am drawing this ray diagram. If you draw perfectly, that is good, no problem. So if you remember the ray diagrams, the object when it is placed between C and F, image will be formed beyond C. Yes or no? If you remember, image will be formed beyond C. 1 second. So when object is placed between C and F, image will be formed beyond C and the image characteristics will be real, inverted and magnified image will be formed. Correct? How did you say, sir? I remember the ray diagrams perfectly of concave mirror, all cases. Correct? So then only we can say this is the importance of ray diagrams. So this is the position of the image. See the position of the image, it should be 12 plus 12 24 more than 24 centimeters and image distance should be negative. If we get that value, it means that we did the problem correctly. Okay. So now let us go into the problem. Given data. Given data. You write when you are solving problems like this, first identify the mirror or lens. Which is that? What is that we are going to solve? Concave mirror. First write that. You need to write it. Concave mirror. Why, sir? Why to write? Why? Because if it is a concave mirror, focal length will be negative. If it is a convex mirror, focal length will be positive. Concave mirror, focal length is negative. Convex mirror, focal length will be positive. Convex lens, focal length will be positive. Concave lens, focal length will be negative. Okay, now we wrote that concave mirror. To remember that focal length is negative. Now they also gave the object distance. Object distance u. It will be always negative only, correct? Minus 18 centimeters and they also give focal length. Focal length f is equal to minus 12 centimeters. Very important. So many children will make mistakes while giving polarity for concave and convex mirrors focal length. So now the remaining thing will be easy. We know that 1 by f will be is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. So I suggest you to remember mirror formula as 1 by f is equal to 1 by u v plus 1 by u only. Sir, why can't I remember 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v? No. If you remember 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u, in lens formula only plus and minus will change. No confusion will be there. That's why I prefer to remember mirror formula as 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Okay. Substitute the values. How to substitute? While substituting the values into mirror formula, we should substitute with the polarity, and which we need to find out that we should not give any polarity. Plus 1 divided by u is minus 18. So now minus 1 by 12 is equal to 1 by v plus into minus 1 by 18. I will solve step by step neatly. You Look at it neatly, very slowly. Minus 1 by 18, I will send that side. It becomes minus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 18 is equal to 1 by V. Correct? So if I exchange both LHS RHS, I can write it as 1 by V is equal to 1 by V is equal to 1 by 18 minus 1 divided by 12. So next step, 1 by V is equal to 18 and 12. Least common multiplier will be 36. Okay. So 18 2 ja 2 minus 12 3 ja minus 3. So 1 by V is equal to 2 minus 3 is minus 1 divided by 36. So inverting on the both sides, we will get V is equal to minus 36 centimeters. So they asked us to find the position of the image. So we found out the position of the image. So how much we got? We got V as minus 36 centimeters. How do we confirm that this V is equal to minus 36 is correct answer or not? Go to ray diagrams again. So from the ray diagram, what can we say? We can say that the image distance should be greater than 24 centimeters and it should be negative. Greater than 24 and it is negative. So we can say that the answer we got is a perfect answer. So this is how we need to be careful and solve the problems on mirror formula. Thank you so much. We'll meet in the next video.